Class, I wanted to send this welcome announcement for starting week 1. So it is Monday, August 28th, and we are at the start of our course together. Every week I plan to post a weekly announcement to review what's due that week, what we're going to look at, and also provide you the opportunity then, after reviewing my weekly announcement, to ask any questions or work to gain additional clarity. So first thing I want you to do, you're going to see here is the announcement page. I really want you to look through the announcement. My first announcement here is my official welcome announcement for the course. So it kind of gives you some directions in the video as well, where to look, where to gain some information. I know some of you, this might be your first online course. Some of you, you've taken them a few times, but every instructor is slightly different about how they run their course and organize their course. So review the announcement. Listen to my intro a little bit too, because that will guide you with the course, how it's set up, and give you some pointers. I have some other announcement that just talks about discussion boards, student engagement, expectations, and those are pretty basic regarding what we expect in the class, what I expect personally as an instructor as well. What I do want to talk about, though, is to go over here for week 1 and to see what is going to be accomplished this week. So you're going to look down here, the welcome to week 1, that basically talks about the different concepts, theories that we're going to be reviewing this week, and it's going to be chapters 1 through 4 in the McGoldrick text. You have a number of other documents that are there as well when you click into the readings and preparation. This will help to review the theories, the concepts. There's different PowerPoints, there's different notes for you. So just additional resources to help you as you're going through and learning this wide, vast knowledge base that is going to be presented in this 8-week course. Also, I want you to complete your video introduction. There's a link in the discussion boards forum for you to do that. And there's also a quick clip to show you how to do that with Screencast-O-Matic, which is the application that I'm using right now. It's pretty user-friendly. You can post any sort of questions that you have on the class discussion board. And the major assignment that is due this week is the week 1 discussion board. So you're going to see here a prompt that talks about ages and how things have changed in society as a result and what that looks like. Your initial post is due Thursday by midnight, and then you are to respond to at least 2 of your peers Sunday by midnight. There's some pointers here, 1 through 6, different ways that you can have these responses. Please make it more than something of good point to count as one of your peer responses. So your initial post is due Thursday by midnight, and your response is Sunday by midnight. At the very bottom of the discussion board forum, you're going to find a student lounge. So this is a place for you all to visit to talk about things that might be school related or unrelated, just to really connect with one another. So let's go back to week 1. And you'll see again, like I said, to do the readings, complete your video introduction, and then there's little key pointers about the other assignments that are due later in the week, so you can kind of work ahead for the later weeks. So to start looking at your lifespan paper assignment that's due at the end of week 7, and that's one of the bigger assignments in the course. So you want to really think about it throughout the course and not have week 7 hit and have this massive assignment. As I stated, the only thing that is graded this week is the week 1 discussion board for that. So I hope that you have a nice start to the week. Please reach out to me if you have any questions. You can do this through email. You can do this through the discussion board. We can set up a virtual time to meet, which again is if you click over here in the virtual office, you will see the link, and my posted hours. But I would like for you to contact me to schedule an appointment so I know when to come into the virtual office, or we can set up a phone meeting. So don't be shy. Let me know what you need, and we'll make sure to connect as need be. I look forward to our time together and really embracing lifespan throughout the next 8 weeks. It's a lot to cover, but very exciting.